But getting to your stock picks this evening, Zwelakhe, I'll stick with you. What are you going for?
Yeah, I'm going for Adobe. I think the stock has rallied fairly much since the beginning of the year, but I still think that there is potential for it to actually do a lot more creative offerings on the back of this artificial intelligence capabilities that they are acquiring like everybody else. I think there's still scope for them to lower the cost of delivering those creative offerings for the marketing people in particular. And I would go for Adobe for the long term.
Okay, great. So Adobe for you. And then Willem, I don't know if it's BHP that is your stock pick or if a different player in the commodities sector.
No, it is the BHP Group, and sort of as Zwelakhe sort of was kind enough to sum up for me, they have the advantage of sort of a high quality company which they can use as an acquisitive group. So we sort of saw their takeover attempt on Anglo. They can always do that again. There are quite a few copper miners globally that are trading at very low valuations. And then in terms of their current commodity split, obviously we're all saying it's 70% iron ore, 30% copper. But as the prices change, they would become a copper group. You know, if copper went to 12,000 or iron ore came to $90. But the fact that they're so low on the curve on iron ore means they're the last loser. You know, iron ore prices can fall, and for everybody would close down before they also would sort of start taking sort of negative free cash flows from that business. And then on top of that, it's a very good valuation. They haven't had sort of a crazy year. I think it's about a 10% forward P with an 8% dividend yield. So it's a high quality, easy sort of company to invest in with real potential, real catalysts. Specifically, it seems like from their side, like looking at copper for the long term.
Okay, gents, well, lots of food for thought. Thank you very much for your time this evening. Nice to chat to you both. Zwelakhe Mnguni is from Benguela Global Fund Managers. Willem Oldewage is from Nitrogen Fund Managers. And up next, we have The Close. Stay with us.